In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, hello to the viewers and attendees of Gory Farewell channel. For many people, caring often goes bad. Over time, that is likely to change. Girls and women who go to college, the university, and office face more difficulties. The sun shines directly on the face, hands and feet, which does not maintain the radiance of the face. Today I am going to tell you something like this in this video. This will make your caring clue. Be sure to watch this video from beginning to end. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel immediately, because I bring such informative and interesting videos. Let's start today's video. Today we are going to tell you something that will make your caring look like a clear moon. You will need very simple items to make it, which will definitely be present in your kitchen. 2 grains of green cardamom, a tablespoon of fennel, half a spoonful of white cumin, a small piece of cinnamon. Take lukewarm water in a glass. Add all these ingredients. Remember to open the cardamom. Then shake well with a spoon. Cover with water for 1 to 1.5 hours. During this time, all of these ingredients will be absorbed into the water and the water will change its color. Then strain the water through a sieve and drink it before going to bed at night. It should be noted that small cardamom is best for brightening the color. Fennel will remove the heat of the stomach, due to which your face will not be dull. White cumin will improve the digestive system. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is the best source of body fat. Friends, hope you like the video. If you really like it, then click on the video. Be sure to share it with your friends and relatives on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Be sure to write something in the comments for your valuable feedback. He will take care of himself. Allah Hafiz.
हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें। ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल गौरी फॉर यू को सब्सक्राइब करें। बेहद शुक्रिया।